Episode 418, AI Agents in UK Crown Courts.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
In England and Wales, Crown Court judges are about to start using AI legal assistance to help tackle the huge backlog of criminal cases. The idea is not AI judges per se, but instead taking over the huge administrative burden that is causing court backlogs. Hello, and very welcome back to AI6, the podcast that helps keep you up to date with all things artificial intelligence in just 6 minutes a day, and then on Saturdays we have the long listen. Speaking at a Microsoft event in London, Deputy Prime Minister David Lammy confirmed he wants to see more AI being used by courts, as he confirms fewer jury trials will be taking place in the future. However, the Law Society has warned that decisions with serious consequences for people's lives must be made by humans. And of course, if this was in an EU AI Act context, this would be considered high risk. Sky News reports, meanwhile, that Darren Hardman, the chief executive of Microsoft in the UK, said the Ministry of Justice was one of the fastest growing adopters of agentic AI. Whilst we've already delivered impactful outcomes together, the potential for future transformation across the department is incredibly exciting and a privilege to partner on, he says. Last July, the UK Ministry for Justice published its policy paper titled AI Action Plan for Justice. The plan focuses on 3 priorities: strengthening judicial foundations, embedding AI across justice services, and investing in the people who will deliver this transformation. The paper says it aligns with the Prime Minister's vision to build a digital and AI capability across government and supports our departmental priority of delivering swift access to justice. So what does AI in justice look like in practice? Well, the pilot ongoing at the moment will include AI legal assistance to support legal professionals and staff, and streamline case management processes to get cases moving quicker. I think we're all agreed that legal and justice as a sector is hugely administratively burdensome, and we can clearly see where artificial intelligence can play a very productive role. But of course, any errors on the part of the AI agent not seen by a human could have serious consequences. But the UK government's plan aims to drive productivity, boost efficiency in the Crown Court, and reduce the time victims have to wait for their day in court, which of course is welcome. The technology is first being trialled in a sandbox, which is an isolated and protected working environment that allows for the safe and controlled testing of AI. Critics and legal bodies, on the other hand, have warned that while AI might help with efficiency, it cannot substitute for investment in people, physical court capacity, and legal aid, and that decisions with serious consequences must remain human-made. And of course, that principle extends to all professions, with human in the loop absolutely key. The impact of this pilot will be most interesting to follow, and from that to see if legal AI assistance will be expected and mainstream in Crown Courts. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategy, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organisation. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie, or if you work in government or public sector, go go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.